Hello everyone, welcome to the SilVerTek LMS Nexus video tutorials. Today, I will show how to create a math identification test using the SilVerTek LMS. Math identification is similar to the basic identification test, but with added math boxes for encoding math equations in the question. To start, let us open our SilVerTek LMS and go to the home page. Click on the EdTech tools to show the menu. Select the Quiz Maker. The system will lead you to the Quiz Maker tool. Here you can edit the name of the quiz. To go to the math identification test, click the Add Exam Part button. It will then show the various types of quiz you can make using the SilVerTek LMS. Right at the bottom, the last type of quiz is the math identification. Click on it to start making a math identification test. That is how you navigate the SilVerTek LMS to make a math identification test. Let us start making our math identification test by opening our SilVerTek LMS and going to the home page. Click on the EdTech tools and then select Quiz Maker. Let us rename our quiz as Math Identification Test. Then, click the Add Exam Part button and find the math identification. Click it to start. The system will lead you to the Math Identification Maker tool. Here, you will see a format similar to the basic identification test, except for the additional math equation box, which will provide math keyboards below where you can type special characters and formats for mathematical equations. You can add or delete equation boxes here. The acceptable answers for the question must be typed in below. You can also add picture to the question by clicking this Add Picture icon. Now let's make our math identification question by erasing the sample given by the system. Now type in your question inside the text box. Once you need to type an equation, just click the Add Equation below, and the math box will appear. Let us type our equation inside the math box. Now that the question is done, let us type in below the acceptable answers for a question. You can add more acceptable answers in case the learners might type the correct answers in different ways. Let us preview our math identification question by clicking the Preview button. Now let's try to add another question. Just click the plus button here and erase the sample question. If you need to add more equation to the question, just click the Add Equation button and type in the next equation. Again, type the acceptable answers below. Be sure that any possible ways that the learners may provide the answers can be accepted. Now, let us preview our question. This is how easy it is to make a math identification test using the SilVerTek LMS. To save your test, just click the Save button above like every other type of quiz. You are now ready to make a math identification test using the SilVerTek LMS. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next video tutorials. Have a great day, everyone.